Time to replace the faded, yellowed, and cracked headlight assemblies on my daughter's 2008 Toyota Corolla. They are so translucent, the headlight beams are no longer projecting properly. The replacement assemblies are blacked out and all the fixtures will be LED lighting. There are 2 bolts, one on each side, that secures the front quarter panels to the front bumper cover. These are located under the plastic wheel well covers at the corners of the seams. There is also another bolt on each side at the bottom of the wheel well attaching the bumper cover to other plastic covers. In fact, all the bolts on the bottom of the bumper cover simply hold horizontal plastic covers in place and are not structural. They are required, however, to prevent the plastic covers from dragging the ground, preventing debris from being thrown up into the engine compartment and wheel wells. There are 2 more bolts on the bottom and to the front of the bumper cover. Remove both of them. Remove the grille with the Toyota badge by unscrewing 1 bolt on each side of the grille. In the center, you will find a plastic insert that needs to be removed. Using a screwdriver or a panel puller, as I am using, lift up on the center pin, then remove the entire insert. It will probably crack if it's an old vehicle like this Corolla. You can get replacements at any auto parts store. Separate the grille from the front bumper cover and set aside. Now simply pull the bumper cover away. You may need to pull the edges away from the quarter panels near the wheel wells. Remove the 3 bolts securing the headlight assembly, 2 bolts on the top and 1 bolt on the side. Do this for both headlight assemblies. Wiggle the assembly while pulling it forward. There is a detent where the top bolt by the quarter panel was located. This may need to be lifted to free the assembly. Once freed, turn the assembly downward. Twist the turn signal light counterclockwise and pull it away from the assembly. We are replacing the low and high beam lights, so all that needs to be done is to remove the power cables, lift the tabs from the locks and pull out the connectors. Even though the front end of the vehicle looks like there is major work going on, the replacement is very straightforward. Reassembly is in the exact reverse order. If you can pull it apart, you can put it back together. Just make sure you use the same bolts in the same positions during the reassembly and it will go right back together without any issues. Keep in mind you are bolting plastic parts. Don't go crazy on the torque. Just snug everything up firmly. Once everything is reassembled, this is how they will look. Make sure you test your bulbs before reassembling the light fixtures, just to be sure. Thanks for watching.